Manhole chimney sections, the top part of the sanitary sewer manhole structure, are often not level with the road, causing a traffic hazard. Manhole chimneys leak, causing high sewage treatment costs and overflows into lakes and streams. The Mr. Manhole Chimney Replacement System addresses the bump and leak problems by quickly removing the manhole chimney and replacing it with a new, structurally sound, watertight assembly. The speed plate is placed inside the manhole frame and functions as a centering point for the Mr. Manhole cutter extractor. Engineers agree that round repairs are far superior to square repairs. The Mr. Manhole cutter extractor enables a perfect round cut with full road penetration for a high-quality repair. The repair can be completed in a fraction of the time required by conventional methods. The cutter extractor is a 900-pound dry cut machine for asphalt and concrete using replaceable carbide teeth. The cutter can remove most manhole frames in less than 10 minutes. The cutter is adjustable in cutting diameter to 72 inches. After cutting and extracting the manhole frame, it can be disengaged by rotating the cutter shaft. The frame can be replaced or cleaned and reused. The system will cut the liner to the appropriate slope and height. The Mr. Manhole white urethane sealant will be applied to the insert liner and the liner placed on the manhole cone. A water-activated strip is placed at the joint. An additional bead of sealant is applied to bond the frame to the liner. The lid is replaced and concrete is poured as a combination adjusting ring and collar. Epoxy-coated rebar are placed every 6 inches. The concrete is consolidated with a vibrator. The concrete is smoothed and dyed black to match the surrounding pavement. A brushed finish is applied to the concrete. A pourable black sealant is used to seal the edge of the repair. A high-quality concrete sealer is applied. The rebuild has a 20-year design life, will not leak, and is always level with the road.